Hi, my name's James. I'm here from Popper's Senco UK and we're here to test the new Senco GT90. This is the GT90. It's a gas operated nailing tool. All your first fix applications, your timber framing, roofing, decking, as you can see. It's got a adjustable depth of drive, very easy to operate, no tools needed, just thumb operated, very straightforward. You've also got the no mark pad straight on the front end, which comes with the tool. Two batteries within this case, which comes with the tool. You've got an easy feed loading system for the actual nails themselves. It's just a push slide, pull back system and release. Loads the nails, no problem at all.
Will take any nail, will they?
They will take anything from a 50 to 90mm angled collation.
Very nice. Yeah, it is. Yeah, just nice. It is. Very comfortable, that.
This is Senco gas and nail pack. 70mm nails. So full box nails, plus your gas cells required to fire the nails within the box itself.
Way around. Is there any warranty that comes with the gun at all?
Yes, on this tool itself has a 2-year warranty. We can do on-site training and certification.
We've got the gas there now. Simple that. Okay, that.
We also have it backed up with dealers throughout the country and service engineers throughout the UK. It's a 2-hour charge time for the batteries itself. Obviously you have 2 in the box, and obviously the tools which are brought in, such as this cordless tools, they're designed to make jobs easier, faster, more cost effective. It's also got a high powered ignition system, which allows you to operate at -7 degrees. On those long winter mornings, you will be able to operate, no problem.
I like the battery, this looks very positive here, the battery fit.
Very firm fix.
That's good, that. I like the depth adjustment too, that's quite good. Nice and easy. What do you think? Balanced, isn't it? So it is, yeah. Nobody easy enough. Yeah. That's punching the nails in fine off it. It is, yeah. It is.
Back out, but
no, there's not.
Be knocking them in. It's just
it's good.
Straight in and straight go.
Yeah. We'll see how it goes for flooring. Okay. Oh.
Very balanced, so it's not aching your arm when you're holding it. It's got a very good head on it for gripping the timber when you're actually pushing the gun onto the timber.
The bigger nails, yeah.
So
it'll be a good asset on site. This easy to use, no compressors, straight out of the box. Very good tool.